Hello, my beautiful girls and handsome boys. So, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So, today our topic is crop recommendation system using machine learning. A crop recommendation system using ML. So, what we gonna do in this project? How this project gonna look, and how this project gonna help you? So, everything we gonna tell in this project video. So, first of all, what you have to do? You have to go to this channel, which is computer science project, the same channel on which you are watching the videos, and you will find out we have lots of projects on cryptography, cybersecurity, machine learning, blockchain, all the new trending advanced projects we have for you guys. If you need any kind of project, any project, you can select and let us know, and we will send you the project right now. If you have any new idea, recommendation, or new requirement, you can share with us. We will make a project for you right now. So now let's come with us and let me show you how this project works and what is this project. So first, what is this project? Crop recommendation system using machine learning. See, as we all know, in India and all over the world, every farmer is in stress. Every farmer is in overthinking that what we should do to get a maximum profit, and they should not get lost. So even government is thinking, even normal scientists is thinking, even we as a regular people, we are thinking. So one of the best thing using a technology that is machine learning have come, which is crop recommendation system using machine learning. So in this, we have a data set, and this data set, we're gonna do analysis, we're gonna do visualization, we're gonna do testing and training of data set, and after that, we're gonna apply machine learning algorithm, and then we have made the model, and we have integrated front end and the back end, and this project has been made. This is only small brief video. If you take this project from us, we will send you complete explanation, complete video. Even if you have any question, you can ask us on WhatsApp, on mail. We will guide you, we will help you. This is our work. So first of all, what you have to do by taking or after taking this project, you have to download Visual Studio Code, and you have to click on file, you have to click on open folder, and you have to open this project folder. This project folder will open like this, and then you have to click on app.py, open it, get it terminal. Okay, so this is your code folder. In this you have a front end, you have a back end, you have a model, you have a Python code. Everything is in this project folder. Okay, here we will give one command, which is Python 3 space app.py. So when you will give this command, so wait a second, you have to click on running on this link, or you can copy this link and paste it all on your Google Chrome, Brave, or anywhere if you want, and then simple click on this. So crop recommendation system has come. So this is your front end, this is your main page. Here you can give your nitrogen, suppose that you get 40, phosphorus suppose 30, potassium suppose 20, temperature suppose that is 48 degrees Celsius, humidity suppose 20, pH level suppose that 13, rainfall suppose that 80 mm. Now click on predict crop. So kidney beans, as you can say in Hindi, rajma, you can make, or you can do crop farming of kidney beans. So same as that, you just have to give input here, and you have to click on the predict crop, and you will predicted crop will come to you. Okay, so this is the project. This is how this project look like, and this project means every farmer, they just have to open this kind of website, or they just have to go to the shops, or like you can say seed crops or agriculture sector, wherever there is like farming sector, they should go to the shop, and they should open this website or this app, and they should give just their nitrogen, phosphorus, and what temperature is going on, what is humidity level or humidity on that day, on that month, and what is the rainfall in that, like July or December, whatever is going on, and then they have to click on the predict crop, and then they will get a predicted crop, whichever, like rice, wheat, kidney beans, potatoes, and everything will come here. So this was the project. So if you like this project, then you have to go to this site, which is finalproject.in, and we have a different kinds of different domain computer science project. We help in development, we help in code, we help in research writing, we help in assignment, we help in programming, we help in all round for student development and guidance. If you need anything, do let us know. We have a great student review. If you want anything, just do let us know. And again, you can go to our YouTube channel and you will find out that we have lots of different projects on machine learning, data science, AI, blockchain, and all the domains you can ask for in computer science. We have the project for you. Even if you have a new requirement, let us know. We will send you. For this project, we have a code, we have a documents, whatever you need, even one file or 10 files, do let us know. We will send to you. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do like this video. Do share this video with your friends and teammates and do subscribe this channel. Okay. And for more project, do recommend in a comment section or mail us, WhatsApp us. We will make the project for you. Thank you so much. I hope you like this video and please watch other videos too. Thank you so much.